Hi everyone, welcome. Hope you're all having a marvelous day and or night. And thank you again so much for just being here. We're in part 4 of the Soulvean Alphabet. So hopefully you watched all the other ones before this. Alright, going in. As like all the other ones, we got Mappa, skip line, Fefna, skip line, Kanya. Alright, so this letter is within Mappa Fefna, and you do a straight line. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to do a line within here, and then a line straight down. Kind of like a stick figure gun. Alright, and let's make it smaller. There we go. Like that. This is ta. Ta. Go to the back. Cool. So again, straight line. And then a little tiny line that comes off from here. Ta. Ta. Alright, next letter. As just like the other ones, we got Mappa, we got Fefna, and then we got Kanya here. And here we go. So you want to start in the Mappa Fefna area, in the middle here, the top middle, and you want to do a line from here, so straight down like that. Then a line across like this, and then a line down like this. So kind of like the start of a staircase almost. Already. Let me down. So now we're gonna make it smaller. So same thing, like that. Alright, and this is ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. Ooh, ooh. There we go. Alrighty. Moving on to our next letter. So you want to put the Mappa Fefna. Again, this is just to highlight that these are guidelines. These are guidelines for writing. Alrighty. Now this letter might be a little bit hard. So first of all, you want to do is start off in the Kanya Fefna area, so the bottom middle, and you kind of want to make a straight line, kind of like this, and then have like a diagonal line that kind of goes out like this. So something kind of like that. After this, you kind of want to go up here around this area, so Mappa Fefna, and you want to do a line that kind of goes straight like this. And then you want to follow that up with a line that goes directly straight through Fefna and kind of hovers above the line we did before. This is ve/va. This letter has two sounds, ve and va. Ve and va. And here we go. We're going to do it smaller now. So we're ready. Mappa, Fefna, and Kanya. Again, this letter is kind of tricky to write. So you want to, because it has two parts. So you want to do the first part down here in the bottom middle, and the second part in the top middle, like this. Kind of like that. Again, this is ve and va. So we're going to do it on this side where there's no line, so it's a bit easier for you to see. So I want to go on the bottom part here, write this like this, then have a diagonal line that comes in like this. And then above here, have a line that goes like this, and another line that goes like this. Like that. There we go. One more. Alrighty, and this is ve/va. So I'll give you a close up. Go. Ve/va. Alright. On to our next letter. This one is also another one that has a few different parts and pieces that are kind of scattered. So let's start with our guidelines again. So our MAPA, skip a line, go to FEFNA, skip a line, go to KANYA. And with this one, you want to have a small line. That's where FEFNA is. So it's going to be kind of hard to see here. So a small line here, and then you want to put a dot right here, a dot right here, and a dot right here. Like that. Because of our guidelines in the way, you can't really see it too well. So let's try again, but this time make it smaller. So we have our guidelines down here. Guidelines down here. And then what you gotta do, you gotta put a line right on FEFNA. So kind of where this guideline is. And you gotta put a dot here. You're gonna put a dot down here. And then you're gonna put a dot right here. This letter is wa, 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 wa. Okay. And then right here for you. Here we go. Ready? So on the middle line, you got to draw a small line in the middle, like that. Then you got to put a dot here, like this. A dot here, it's below that, like that. And a dot here. There you go. This is wa, wa. And that's how it's written. Definitely want to make sure it's in the same place. So mainly in the middle, where FEFNA is, and that's wa, wa. And the last of our letters is here. Ready? So our guidelines once more. And this one might be a little bit tricky to write as well because it goes into multiple places. Okay, so we're going to start with a line that's here in KANYA. And then we're going to bring a line all the way up to FEFNA. So here we go, like this. And then we're going to do a diagonal line on this side. So the right side, like this. And then a dot over here on this side. So like that. This is ya, ya. Let's draw it smaller now. Here we go. MAPA, FEFNA, and KANYA. So to draw it smaller, you just gotta draw the same baseline. So a line on KANYA, as you can see here, KANYA. And you want to draw a line in the middle of that goes all the way up to the middle line, so FEFNA. And then a diagonal line on the right, like this. And then a dot to the left of that line, like this. Ya, ya. And it has to look similar to that. All right, ready? Okay. So we have a line on the base like this. Base like this. Then in the middle of that line, go straight up like this. And then to the right side of that line, a diagonal line, just like this one. And then to the left side of that middle line, a dot around here. And that's ya, ya. Alrighty, now it's time to recap all the letters that you learned in this lesson. Ready? Alright, first one is ta, ta, ta. Next letter, oo, oo, oo. Next letter, ve/va, ve, va. Next letter, wa, wa. And then the final letter, ya, ya. Alrighty, now here comes the fun part. We're going to do a test with these now. I'm going to show you random letters, and you got to guess which ones they are. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess. Alrighty, let's go. First one. Ve slash va. Ve, va. Alrighty. Next one. Go. Ya, ya. Alrighty. Our next one. Ta, ta. Alrighty. Our next one. Wa, wa. And then our last one. Here you go. Ooh, ooh. And that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you everyone so much. I'm so grateful that you guys are here. So thank you very much. And I hope you learned a lot from these letters. Without further ado, take care everyone and have a marvelous day and night. Without going away.